Hello YouTube, this is Zach from A to Z BMX, and I'm going to be doing a bike check on my Kink launch. So I'm going to work my way from the front end all the way to the back. So to start off with my grips, these are ODI long neck grips, or the soft ones, whatever. These are actually surprisingly good. Like, I think this is my 6th month running on these grips, and there's a little tear somewhere. I don't know. It's maybe in this one or the other one. But this is the Colt Hawk bar, or Hawk bars. I think it's a 8.25 rise. It's kind of low, but I got them for free, so what can I say? I have the Mission Captive lever hooked up to the Odyssey gyro. I just got it set up. This is the Sunday stem, the free stem in red, but I'm working on making it raw, cause fuck it. I have the Kink top load part. For my fork bolt, I have the Odyssey. Shit, I don't remember. It's an Odyssey one. These are the stock forks. This is the X7 wheel laced to a Echo hub. I think this is a Rant tire. I'm not so sure. Where did it go? My frame is I think it's a 20.25 frame wrapped in carbon fiber. I have so much of it, I just decided to wrap it. For the pedals, I have the Demolition Trooper pedals. Really good. They grip a lot. Can't compare them to Redline pedals or Haro pedals, but I have the Kink Triumph cranks, the stock bottom bracket. I'll work my way to the other side. I have the Cypher, what's it called, sprocket, and I have a red KMC chain. Odyssey brake cables. These are the stock Kink brakes. This is the same seat, the stock, the Emerson. I just got bored the other night and I decided to paint it, because why not? I have a tennis ball in there, so it makes tail ups easier. I have the function hub laced to a X7 wheel. This is a Rant tire again. I have a Colony, but I took it off. If you're just starting BMX, I guess this is a good bike. Can't really compare it to anything. I had a Premium, but I broke the wheels. And I sold it. But it's a good bike, I guess. I haven't broke it yet. Oh yeah, for the seat clamp, I have the Odyssey Mr. Clampy. It's alright. It's a seat clamp. Don't really matter. There is so much to do with this bike. Like, I can't even ride it right now. I just installed the brakes and I can't ride it still. There's so much to do to it. I hurt myself. That's another reason why I'm not riding. This is like my 2nd month unhurt that I've been hurt. I just got out of the boot I was in. I was in a boot for a while. But yeah, thanks for watching.